Guys, welcome to DNA Drives. In this video, I'll be talking a little bit about my FRS, how it died at 90,000 miles, and what is going on with it. I've already done an update part 1 to this little video series, so this is a last and final part to this little update on my FRS that died. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I want to thank you so much, each and every one of you, for watching our videos. It means so much to both Walker and I. Putting out content 2 times a week. We used to do 4, but 2 times a week, it's certainly a little bit of a hustle, so I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Now, let's talk about the FRS. So, if you're new to the channel, my name is Garrett, and I got myself a 2013 Scion FRS back in April of this year with 80,000 miles on it. Unfortunately, about a month and a half ago, might even be 2 months now, the FRS died at 90,000 miles. I was driving on the highway and I heard a chattering noise. I thought it was my radar detector just hitting the dashboard, but I reached for the radar detector, and that was certainly not the case, as the chattering did continue. So that was certainly quite an alarm when it kept on chattering. I quickly lost power after a few seconds. The whole car just went dead, and I coasted off of the highway that I was driving on into a gas station.
Can I explain to the people what happened? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
He says 3 words. Alright, I'm done.
Go ahead, explain it.
So, we were driving down I-75 north.
South, actually.
Headed towards Toledo for some spaghetti. And unfortunately, I heard a disgusting sound. And then all of a sudden, the energy shifted. Garrett did not shift, the energy shifted. And then I was like, oh no, something bad is happening. And then Garrett's like, oh, my brake's not working. And then I was like, ah! And then I bought everyone a Slurpee with Dean's money.
I was told the valves met the pistons and the camshaft timing was slowed down. That's what that is what my OBD2 scanner said. And then the shop that I took it to told me that I need a new engine, valves met the pistons, and so on. I got in contact with a gentleman from the Michigan 8-6 group. His name is Brian. Big shout out to him. He was able to help me guide and just take step by step on what I should do. So he was a big part in trying to get my FRS back on the road. And I also got in touch with a couple dealerships and Michigan Motor Exchange just to see what they would offer in terms of a new engine and labor costs to put it in. I also had Brian quote me on install and labor. Well, that's the same thing, obviously. An engine and then the install labor. But ultimately, I'm sad to announce that the FRS was sold last weekend. I sold it to a gentleman who lived about 3 hours away from my hometown here in Walled Lake, Michigan. So, shout out to the new guy. I believe he was going to put a new block in it, just a new engine. So, best of luck to him. I had another guy come over. He came and looked at the car. He was going to do a V8 swap and everything, and I thought that was pretty cool, but that one fell through. But the FRS is gone, so it's kind of sad. It was my first real kind of sporty track handling performance car. Had a Mustang 5.0 before that. That was a lot of fun, but as of now, I'm just driving around in a Ford frickin' Ranger. But hopefully we will get another cool, fun, quick car back here on the channel for me. In the meantime, I'll be sitting here doing some stuff to the Ranger, which I know it's not totally exciting, but bear with me. Drop some comments down below if you want to see anything on the truck. Then Walker is going ham over here with his Genesis Coupe, so make sure you keep up to date on that. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I know it's a big bummer, but we'll see another FRS or something like that on the channel. Maybe something even a little better. If there's any suggestions out there, drop them down below. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and give the video a like. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And until next time.